And there's 12 healthcare strategies to attract wealth. And I'm going to mention it to you now. So the first one is lead generation. The second is marketing strategies. The third is social media. The fourth is automation marketing. Okay, you want to be able to have scalable systems, for example. Wealth activation, content creation, messaging, persuasion, group alignment. It needs to be the right types of group in order for you to be able to get work from that for your business as a supplier. Core sales activation techniques is what we teach, and relationship marketing. That is the key, is the relationship marketing. And this program has been out for 12 weeks. We've been doing this for 12 weeks, this program, because it is a brand new program, but we have been testing this program before we brought it out. We tried to look at what we felt was missing, what is different, and what I've used as a really good point from many years ago, for example. Okay, so, you know, there are ways that you can connect. So that's the connection system, and pitch and close techniques. But like I said, there's a method that you have to use, a methodology that you have to use in order for this to work, because you have to pitch at the right time and close at the right time. But there's a technique and there's wordings that you would use that is the jargon that is going to be a success for you, for your organization. So what I'd like to do today is just a short thing, because I want everyone to be thinking about this, you know, and what I'd like is for you to book a free 15-minute strategy call. The team members will post the link in the chat box for you to use. And let's have a look here. So like I said, the team will be posting something in the chat box for you to then book your free consultation with our team to talk about your strategy. You know, we want you to be ahead. It's 2023 coming up now. We want you to start thinking about this now. Don't wait for next year. Look at doing this now, starting this now, ready for when January comes. Then you're there looking at getting clients consistently because you've built up a relationship with them, for example. And what I want you to really think about is, what other ways can you as an organization create sales? Some of you are just starting out. Some of you have started and you're perhaps struggling to get clients, or perhaps you just hit a ceiling. You feel as if you can't go any further. But there's different ways that you can get business in for your organization. And this is a very strong, positive way that's going to produce a positive outcome for your organization. And like I said, you know, we've had clients where they've, you know, got an extra 300, 500 hours a week within 8 weeks, for example. And that is building a consistent relationship, which is going to keep your organization moving forward. The needle's going to keep moving up instead of going up, down, up, down, up, down. You want to create different systems in place to get your organization work, so that you're always going to be, you know, at an even, rather than this up down routine. 1 minute the care home is using you, next minute they're not. 1 minute they're using you, next minute they're not. So you want to have different systems that's going to create different income streams for your organization. So I hope that was clear to everyone. Did you find that helpful? Hope you did. Chat in the chat box, because I can see that the scheduler is there for you to book your free 15-minute consultation. Does anyone have any questions? Do you have any questions about the social media marketing that I've just mentioned to you? So don't worry, I'll be able to discuss that with you when you book your free 15-minute consultation. That's fine, that's not a problem. Excellent. So thank you so much. And I hope that you've enjoyed today, and I hope that it's opened your mind to think about other avenues that you can look at rather than just doing this straight route. There's many of avenues that you can go down to build a strong business for your organization. Okay, we're in 2022, we're coming to the end of 2022 into 2023. Now is the time to start thinking about all the different aspects that you want for your healthcare organization. So I hope that was helpful to you, and thank you so much. Please do book your free 15-minute consultation. Please do join us, subscribe on our YouTube channel as well. And we've got our Facebook group. I would like you to join our group on Facebook. The team will put the information in the chat box so that you'll be able to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got over 1,000 subscribers. We've also got, for example, hold on one second. We've also got our Facebook group for everyone to join as well. And you know what, we do a lot of training every single week, for example, in the YouTube channel as well as our Facebook group. So we're always keeping everyone educated as well. We're doing newsletters. We're trying to keep you as informed as possible. And this is why it's so important to keep showing up, because although some of you may not have been able to be here today, if you've registered, then you're able to then receive the replay. So I hope that's been helpful for you. Like I said, join our Facebook group, because that's for healthcare providers, where we provide hints and tips as well. We go live in there as well. We've got lots of information as well. And, you know, like and subscribe our YouTube channel, because that is informative. We do trainings in there every week. And why it's so important is to think about, when you're running a healthcare business, sometimes it's not easy, but it is rewarding, because once you've delivered a good service, clients are happy and you're happy as well. And this is the reason why you've gone into healthcare business, because you want to provide that standard of excellence. But also, people knowing that you're passionate about what you do, they're going to want to work with you. So it's important that you look at all the different strategies rather than just think, oh, I need to pick the phone up. You can visit people, you can message them, you can connect with them, you can do things in a methodical way so that you're able to have a successful healthcare business. So I hope that was helpful to everyone. Like I said, it was a short one today, but I just wanted to go through the marketing strategy for, you know, in terms of social media marketing strategy for your organization. If you want us to do the marketing strategy for your organization, we do that. And, you know, that's not a problem. We love to do it. And we do have team members that are here to assist as well. So I hope that everyone's found today helpful, and it's been wonderful speaking with you all. And I look forward to speaking with you all very, very soon. Look out for our next programs. We've got them next week as well. Lots of things coming up. We've got some new things coming up for November as well. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss out, because we are going to keep giving you as much information to enable you to be as successful as possible within your healthcare organization. So book a free strategy call with ourselves, and we will gladly speak with you